Filming. I usually like to get a few videos of you ramping up the spindle to max speed and then doing a tool change, moving it in X, Y, and Z, all the good stuff.
Pushing me to get out of here. I'm just going to start the program and it'll
Okay. So what RPM are you running right now?
4,500.
Okay. You know what the max RPM on this is?
I want to say 7,500.
That's what I would look at. That sounds about
It has
right.
like two different modes it goes into.
Yep.
I think.
20 plus 1. Okay. Did he buy it new or from somebody? Is there any way you can call up the hours in the control? Do you know how to do that? Okay, thank you.
Sorry, I programmed my little whole block, not just the top.
That's fine. What kind of material is that?
Aluminum 6061.
Aluminum 6061? Okay.